The tech world is abuzz with excitement, as the iPhone 16 series is poised to make its debut. With the launch date rapidly approaching, rumors and leaks are surfacing, providing a glimpse into the latest flagship's features. Here's a comprehensive summary of the most credible reports. Larger displays. Pro models are expected to boast expanded screens, measuring 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. Enhanced cameras. 5x telephoto lenses are rumored for Pro models, significantly upgrading zoom capabilities. New Apple chipset. All models will feature the latest A18 chipset, Pro versions utilizing the A18 Bionic Pro. Action button. A novel feature allowing for effortless photo capture and video recording. AI-powered capabilities, integration of ChatGPT, enhanced Siri, and image creation tool. The launch date draws near, anticipation builds. Stay tuned for further updates and official announcements from Apple. Get ready to experience the latest revolution in smartphone technology. Larger displays for Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to boast larger screens, measuring 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. In contrast, the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will retain their current sizes of 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches. Enhanced camera capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to redefine mobile photography with its groundbreaking 5x telephoto lens, a substantial leap from the current 3x optical zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro. This significant upgrade will empower users to capture stunning images with unparalleled precision and clarity. The 5x telephoto lens will allow for greater flexibility when framing shots, more detailed close-up photography, enhanced portrait mode capabilities, increased optical zoom range without sacrificing image quality. This advancement will enable users to push the boundaries of mobile photography, capturing moments with greater accuracy and creative freedom. The iPhone 16 Pro's telephoto lens upgrade promises to deliver professional-grade image quality, further blurring the lines between smartphones and dedicated camera. New Apple chipset and action button. The entire iPhone 16 lineup will be driven by Apple's latest A18 chipset, a significant leap in processing power and efficiency. Pro models will take it a step further with the A18 Bionic Pro, offering even more advanced capability. The A18 chipset will provide enhanced performance for demanding tasks, improved power management for extended battery life, faster data processing for a seamless user experience. Furthermore, the iPhone 16 is expected to debut an innovative action button designed to simplify the process of capturing life's moments. This intuitive feature will allow users to quickly switch between camera modes, instantly start recording videos, access frequently used camera settings. The action button will streamline the camera experience, making it easier for users to focus on capturing the perfect shot. With the A18 chipset and action button, the iPhone 16 series promises to deliver unparalleled performance and user-friendly functionality. AI features and more. The iPhone 16 is poised to transform the smartphone experience with a suite of AI-powered features, elevating user interaction to unprecedented heights. These cutting-edge capabilities will seamlessly integrate artificial intelligence into daily use, making the iPhone more intuitive, personalized, and user-friendly. Key AI-powered features include ChatGPT integration for advanced text analysis and generation, enhanced Siri capabilities for more accurate and context-aware responses, image and emoji creation tools, leveraging AI-driven design. These features will enable users to effortlessly compose messages and emails with AI-assisted writing, receive personalized recommendations and predictions from Siri, create stunning visuals and emojis with AI-powered design tool. By harnessing the power of AI, the iPhone 16 will redefine the boundaries of smartphone functionality, providing an experience that is both futuristic and familiar. Get ready to unlock a new era of intelligent interaction with your iPhone. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone 16 series, and get ready to experience the latest innovation from Apple.